Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a simple Facebook logo. But before we move forward, I'm going to show you how the Facebook logo looks like. Okay, from google.com, this is how a typical Facebook logo looks like. The one we are going to design, I will make in such a way that the F you see, the letter F you see here, will be in blue color, while the background will be white color. So just pay more attention, follow the video, and if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you do well to subscribe, and please like the video. And if you have any question to ask, please, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. Stay well and follow up. Okay, now we are in the working space of our Pixellab. So the first thing that we do is to bring in the letter F. And if you don't know, this F stands for Facebook. Yeah, it's a short form of Facebook. So you increase the font size to a certain number. Let me take 250. Yeah. So I'll centralize my work. For you to, if you want to centralize your work, you go to relative position. You click the top button, the one showing two arrows facing each other. Yeah, you have now centralized your work. So you change the color of the letter to a blue color. Okay, I'll go with this blue. Yeah, I'll go with this blue. So this blue has code 255 1371 161. Okay, so the next thing is for me to bring in my white background, and this white background will be in a circular shape. So I'll go on to shape. I'll change it to a circle, send the circle behind, and I regulate the size so that the F can fit into it well. Okay, as you can see, the shape, the logo is really coming up. Yeah, so what you will do now is for you to mesh the both. You mesh both the F and the white background. Okay, so we have meshed them. So you see that they cannot be split apart. They are both meshed together. Now, what is left now is for me to, we are done designing the logo, but I want to put it in a more presentable manner. So I will bring in a background color. I will click here, bring in a background color, a white background color. Okay. So what can you see? You can see only the F, right? The initial white background that the F was on, that the F was lying on, you cannot see, but you can what you are seeing now is the F. What you are seeing, it seems that the F is lying but on this, the white background that was just brought in. So there have to be a differentiation between the initial white background and the one that was brought in now. So what I will do is I will enable the shadow button, and from here you can easily distinguish between the initial background from the one that was newly brought in. So let me regulate the shadow so that it can better fit well. I will take the blur radius to 5. Let me further decrease to, let me say, 3. Okay, let me leave it here. Have you ever experienced, when you load your Facebook page, the logo that comes up, this is what you will see when you load your Facebook page. Yeah, you will see something like this. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. All I want from you is to do the same design and send. Thank you and thanks for watching.